Welcome to NUUO NVRsolo training. You are currently in the ezNUUO section, and during this video we will present how to access and use ezNUUO. First, let's see what is ezNUUO. ezNUUO is a P2P application offering remote live view and playback free from router settings. The main purpose is to facilitate the process of establishing internet access to NUUO systems. By using ezNUUO, you won't need to set up port forwarding and DDNS. But how to access to ezNUUO? It requires only two steps. The first step is to simply register the server ID within the settings page of the NVRsolo. After the server ID registration, the second step, in order to watch live view and playback from anywhere in the world, is to connect to ezNUUO through the web browser at www.ezNUUO.com or through NUUO mobile application, the NUUO iViewer. Now we're going to see in details how to access to ezNUUO. First, you need to register your NVRsolo server ID. Let's see how to do that. Go to the settings page of your NVRsolo. Go to the menu button and select main menu. Then go to the network menu and select ezNUUO registration submenu. From this page, choose a name for your server ID and enter it right here. You can use the keyboard or the virtual keyboard. We entered NUUO NVRsolo. After that, you need to click on the test button in order to check that this server ID is unique and no one else will be able to use it. A message will appear to inform you that the server ID is valid and available. To finish, click on Save, and you can now connect to ezNUUO. Please note that for the version 1.0, to use ezNUUO, the LAN 1 of your NVRsolo should be connected to the internet. Now let's see how to access ezNUUO via web browser and via NUUO iViewer for mobile phone access. First, we'll see how to access ezNUUO via the web browser. You need to log in to ezNUUO website at www.ezNUUO.com. As you can see, different languages are available. Here we chose English. Then enter these following information. Server ID that you had previously registered from the settings page of NVRsolo. In our case, we previously entered NUUO_NVRsolo, so we type it. The username and password that you used to access your NVRsolo, and enter the verification code requested. After that, click on Log In. ezNUUO requires Java application, so make sure you install it if necessary. After the installation of the Java application, you need to wait for a few seconds for the connection. If you didn't disable your firewall, a window will pop up asking you to authorize the access. Click on Allow Access. Now you're in the settings page of the NVRsolo. As you will notice, this page remains the same as the web browser client. At the top right of the page, you can access directly to the live view, playback interfaces, help page, or simply log out from the system by clicking on each of them. To access the live view interface, click on Live View. Now you are in the live view interface, and from this interface, you can also access to the playback interface by clicking on it. As you can see, the live view and playback interfaces are the same as the web browser client. The only difference is that you're using ezNUUO, which is free from router settings. The second way to access ezNUUO is from the mobile phone through NUUO iViewer, so let's see how it works. In order to access ezNUUO from your mobile phone, you will need to use the NUUO iViewer application. There are two methods for the connection, using IP address or using ezNUUO. The IP address of connection is a traditional one and can be used by other NUUO products with remote mobile client access. you'll need to enter this following information: the server name, the server address, the live streaming port, the playback port, username, and the password. The connection from ezNUUO is simpler since you just have to enter this following information: the server name, the server ID, the username, and the password. Here we have entered the requested information. So let's establish a connection with ezNUUO. Keep in mind that for the server name you have to choose it by yourself. Here, NUUO. The server ID is corresponding to the server ID that you had previously registered, in our case NUUO NVRsolo. After that, click on Save and go back to the main page, then select the server name that you have just created. From this moment a connection will be established. Wait a few seconds. Now as you can see, you're in the live view interface. From this interface, you can see the live videos and also choose different type of layouts. So select the desired layout and then you're ready to monitor your site. Let's sum it up. ezNUUO is as simple as it is effective, since you can get remote monitoring anytime, anywhere, and all without router settings. For further information on how to access and use ezNUUO, please visit the NUUO website at www.nuuo.com.